Most diesel car owners are throwing away hundreds of dollars every month on problems they could fix themselves in minutes. One of these hacks could literally save you from a $4,000 repair bill. Make sure you watch until the end, because hack number 1 could save you more money than all the others combined. Let's dive into 7 genius diesel car hacks that mechanics don't want you to know about. Starting with hack number 7, hand sanitizer for frozen diesel locks. It's a freezing winter morning and you're already running late. You rush to your car, insert the key, and nothing. The lock is completely frozen. You try forcing it, but that's the worst thing you can do. Here's the genius solution. Squirt hand sanitizer directly onto your key before inserting it into the lock. The alcohol content melts the ice almost instantly because it doesn't freeze until around -100 degrees. You can also squeeze it directly into the keyhole. Within seconds, the ice melts and your door opens normally. A bottle of hand sanitizer costs $2. A locksmith visit to fix a broken key in a frozen lock? $150 to $300. Keep a travel-sized bottle in your coat pocket all winter and you'll never be locked out again. Now here's something that could prevent your diesel engine from catastrophic failure. Hack number 6, color-coded engine components. Pop your bonnet and you're staring at a maze of hoses, reservoirs, and metal parts. One wrong move and you could pour the wrong fluid in the wrong place, causing thousands in engine damage. Diesel engines are especially sensitive to contamination. Here's the fix. Use colored electrical tape to label everything under your bonnet. Blue tape for your coolant reservoir, red for brake fluid, green for windshield washer, yellow for your oil dipstick, black for your diesel fuel additives. This system is a lifesaver when you're doing routine checks or if someone else needs to work on your car. Take a photo of your labeled engine bay and keep it on your phone for quick reference. A pack of colored tape costs £5. Engine damage from cross-contamination? Thousands of pounds and potentially a completely destroyed motor. That's an investment worth making. But wait until you see this next one. Hack number 5, olive oil for dashboard restoration. Your dashboard is looking dull, faded, and cracked from years of sun exposure and engine heat. Diesel vehicles often have harder working engines that generate more heat, accelerating dashboard aging. You've probably seen expensive dashboard spray products promising to restore that showroom shine. Here's what the detailing industry doesn't want you to know. That same olive oil you cook with does the job better and for a fraction of the price. Pour a small amount onto a microfiber cloth and rub it into the dashboard using circular motions. The key is using just a little bit. We're talking a coin-sized drop, not dumping it on. Wipe off any excess with a clean, dry cloth. The natural oils penetrate the material and restore moisture that UV rays and engine heat have stripped away. A bottle of olive oil costs £5 and lasts a year of treatments. Those expensive dashboard sprays? £10 to £15 monthly, and they barely last a week. You just transformed your interior for pennies, and you can use the same oil for cooking. That's a proper win-win. This next hack is brilliant in its simplicity. Hack number 4, Vaseline on door seals. It's the middle of winter and you're late for work. You pull the door handle and nothing happens. The door is frozen shut. You yank harder and hear that sickening crack. You've just torn your rubber door seal. That repair runs £100 to £300 per door. Here's the preventive solution. Apply a thin coat of Vaseline to your door seals every few months. The petroleum jelly conditions the rubber, keeping it soft and flexible. It prevents cracks, tears, and stops doors from freezing shut in cold weather. Just wipe a small amount along all the rubber seals around your doors, boot, and bonnet. Wipe off any excess so it doesn't get on your clothes. A jar of Vaseline costs £3 and lasts for years. 5 minutes twice a year could save you hundreds in replacement costs. This is especially critical for diesel owners who often start their cars in cold conditions when the engine takes longer to warm up. Now this one will genuinely shock you. Hack number 3, newspaper for removing registration stickers. Ever tried peeling off an old tax disc holder or registration sticker? You scrape with your fingernails until they hurt. You try a razor blade and risk scratching the glass. You might remove half of it, but there's always stubborn residue that won't budge. Meanwhile, you've wasted 20 minutes getting frustrated. Here's the trick. Take old newspaper and soak it thoroughly in water. Place the wet newspaper over the sticker and let it sit for 15 minutes. The moisture soaks through and softens the adhesive completely. When you remove the newspaper, the sticker comes off with it or peels away easily without leaving residue. This works on bumper stickers, window decals, and any adhesive labels. The newspaper holds moisture against the sticker longer than water alone, allowing the adhesive to fully break down. This method is completely safe for glass and won't damage window tint. Professional sticker removal costs 20 to 40 pounds. This free hack gets the job done in 15 minutes. Just re-wet the newspaper if needed and keep it damp for best results. Here's one that prevents expensive body damage. Hack number 2. Pool noodle for garage wall protection. You carefully pull into your tight garage, and then you open your door straight into the wall. That's a dent, a scratch, or paint transfer on your car door. Over time, these dings accumulate, turning your nice diesel motor into a dented mess. Bodywork costs 75 to 150 pounds per ding. Here's the simple prevention. Cut a pool noodle in half lengthwise and attach it to your garage wall at the exact height where your door hits. Use strong adhesive strips or screws to secure it properly. Now when you open your door, it hits soft foam instead of hard wall. You can also use pool noodles on tight parking spots or garage support beams. The bright colors serve as visual parking guides too. Pool noodles are weather-resistant and last for years even in extreme temperatures. A pool noodle costs 2 pounds. This tiny investment could save you hundreds in bodywork and takes 10 minutes to install. And finally, the #1 hack that saves the most money: toothpaste for paint scratches. You walk to your car in a car park and notice a fresh scratch on the door. Your heart sinks because body shops charge 75 to 150 pounds per scratch. But there's a household item that removes light scratches for under a quid. Whitening toothpaste contains mild abrasives designed to polish teeth. These same properties gently buff away superficial scratches on car paint, making them less visible or removing them completely. First, wash and dry the scratched area. Apply a small amount of whitening toothpaste and gently rub it into the scratch using circular motions. Continue for 30 to 60 seconds. Then wipe away with a damp cloth. If the scratch catches your fingernail when you run it across, you'll need professional repair. But for annoying surface scratches, this 3-pound tube just saved you 150 quid. This is particularly useful for diesel car owners because our vehicles tend to rack up more miles, meaning more opportunities for car park scratches and scuffs. So there you have it, 7 genius hacks that could save you thousands in repairs and maintenance. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know if you've tried any of these. If this video just saved you money or taught you something new, hit that subscribe button for more diesel car tips your wallet will thank you for. Your diesel deserves the best care, and now you know how to give it that without breaking the bank.